we guys are lucky that American Fertility Center, Dr. Rizwan Malik, like a wide range of services, they have brought prenatal testing, one of the most cutting edge part of technology, right in Rawalpindi. I am very honest, and it's not a marketing for them. It's my humble words coming from my heart. I have been almost 32 years abroad. I'm trained in King's College, London, did my residency in Canada, have been to various fertility centers, but mashallah, they are really practicing up to the international standard, very ethical, very professional. Very humbly, he told me they are offering this, and I was so delighted to know that they are offering this prenatal test. So let's talk about what is, can anybody tell me if you are familiar with the